Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, fuck all of that forgive them bullshit that you've been taught in your life. It ain't doing you no damn good. You already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. No, the fuck you don't. And whoever told you that is either an enabler or a flying monkey, doesn't understand your pain or the strife that you went through, or is just saying some random shit out of their mouth because they don't understand the pain and the betrayal that you just experienced. And I want you to consider what you had to endure every single day. Not only were you constantly questioning your worth to someone who was supposed to love you, you were also asking if you should stay in an environment that was causing you health issues. A place where if you argued or disagreed about anything, you were always forced to apologize. A place that emotionally manipulated you into believing that your cares, thoughts, and emotions didn't even fucking matter. A place where if you asked a question, seeked counsel, were authentic, you were belittled for it. You were told you were too sensitive, that it was just a joke, spoken to like a fucking toddler being reprimanded. Is that what you signed up for? A place that would be a danger to your nervous system? A place that would never reciprocate love? A place that would keep you on pins and needles, always waiting for the next round of silent treatment? The next time you get blamed for some shit you had absolutely nothing to do with? Here's the reality. None of what the narcissist put you through was your fault. None of the abuse was ever warranted. See, narcissists have this weird ass way of convincing us that their burden, past traumas, their betrayals, and their abandonments are somehow our fucking burden to carry. Nah, fuck all that. You got a whole past you had to heal from your damn self, and you thought you'd be able to heal together with they ass. But instead, you found out that everybody's not built like you. You found out that no matter how much you love, forgive, show up for others, if they don't have the same capacity and willingness, it won't fucking work. So as I said in the beginning, fuck all of that forgiveness bullshit that you've been taught. You can sleep just as well at night, build just as bright of a future, create a safe, loving, nurturing environment without having to forgive a motherfucker who intentionally tried to destroy you. Stop letting people to tell you that your rage, your resentment, and your pain aren't good. To the contrary, they are healthy emotions for you to show that you already have experience with not expressing in the past. And how did that work out for you? Being in an environment where you couldn't even be authentic, where your voice was suppressed, where you felt exhausted every fucking day. So stand up for yourself. Speak up for yourself, because you owe not just you an apology, but the freedom from feeling an obligation to give any motherfucker in your life that treated you like shit an olive branch just because another person not carrying your pain said so. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired. And as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.